Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a bit of a lift installed, giving you some added height. You do have fender flares, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear. It does have rear airbag suspension. And let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 56,313 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then your truck info, such as gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. And then moving on, you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. And then you do also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and Pro Trailer Backup controller. Do also have onboard air installed in this truck, presumably for the rear airbags, so you can do it from, or you can inflate and deflate them from the inside of the cab. Moving on, you have your 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet on the right here, and looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. Moving down from your climate controls here, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got two cup holders that can be turned into four, as well as your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, and a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt power outlet. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.